We're going to be turning still images into video using Google Video 3 inside of Huzi.ai. So what I'm going to show you today is basically taking a photo from Zillow, putting it into Huzi's Canvas, and then using Google Video 3 to be able to generate an image so we can create a cinematic walkthrough for some of our marketing. Okay, so all we need to do to get started is drag in an image from Zillow into our canvas. So I'll drop that image here. We'll get rid of this duplicate element. And then we're going to go down to our toolbar and click on video. So I will drop that here, and then we have these connection dots. So I'll just pop that over to there. And it's going to generate a description of what this house is. So we won't really need this, but it's nice that it does that for us. What we're going to do next, which helps the video generation understand what we're trying to get across, is open up a chat here. So we'll drop this module, and we're going to go back to the video element, and we're going to filter through this. So we have Clean 2.1 Standard, Master, and then we have Google Video 3 and Google Video 3 Fast. We're going to be using Google Video 3 Fast for this tutorial. So we're going to grab this image, and we're going to pull the connector over to this chat. And this is just an AI chat. So what I'm going to say is create prompts based off of the image that Google Video 3 will be able to understand. Use the image as reference. Okay, so this will get back to us with a prompt, and what we're going to do is basically just delete all of this information inside of the video prompt box, wait for this to generate, and then copy and paste it into the box. So we have a slow cinematic drone shot that starts low on the manicured lawn, and we're going to see how this looks. So we'll pop that. Oops, we just want this. We're just going to pop that into the box and then hit go. And we're going to let this generate and see what it comes up with. All right, let's take a look at what it created. I'll open up this box a little bit so we can see it better. That's funny, you can hear the drone buzzing in the background for this, which is not a problem because what we're going to do is take out the audio when we finish completing this anyway. All right, now we're going to go back to Zillow, and we're going to just repeat this process. So we're going to drag in a couple of images. Okay, so let's get organized here. I'm going to just move these over so we have a little bit of room to work with. Pop that one down there. And we're going to repeat the process. So again, drag in the video element. I'll resize it so it's a little bit bigger. Pop it over to Google Video 3 Fast. Delete this connection. And now we're going to be working with this image. So what we want to do is take this and connect it to the chat. Move this up here so you guys can see it. And then we're going to take the image and connect it to the video. So again, it's going to generate that description down here. But what I want to do in the chat is say, create a new prompt for the new image. And it's going to basically do the same thing and grab a new prompt for this specific image. And again, we're going to delete that description that's in the video prompt box, and we'll just copy this first prompt over, pop it into the box, and hit go. And we're just going to repeat this for the next couple of images. Okay, so now that we've done that, we can take a look at the results that we got from Video 3 Fast. And we'll just watch a couple of these videos through. So fire's crackling in the background, a good pan forward. We can also reverse that so it pans backwards, but we'll do that later in the editor. This living room photo, it's got some good background music. Let's see what we have for outside. Nice. Okay, now all we have to do is click and download each of these videos. So we'll click download, and then we'll save video as to our folder. I have all of these videos already saved. So what we'll do is go into our video editor, which you can use CapCut or Premiere or Final Cut, something like that. But what I'll do is just pull these videos into our timeline, and we're going to end up with something just like this. So essentially what we can do now is cut out a videographer. Just hire a photographer, have them shoot the images for us, pull it into Huzi, and then generate video, panoramics, smooth gimbal-like motions that are going to help us market this home much better. So you can either learn how to edit video yourself or you can hire it out to a third-party editor. Either way, it's going to save you a ton of money hiring somebody to go through and shoot this actual footage. I hope you guys like this tutorial. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them. Just go ahead and put them in the comments below and I'll get back to you.